these stupid games in my eyes, like windshield on a rainy day. I'm swept down, swelling as I keep on moving my face in this cold heart of mine. Heaven knows how I'm better I am. Cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving to a drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Do I have strength to set her free? Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find no way back home for me? Whoa. I'm so tired, feel I'm catching on my wings, being up all night in this elbow room that puts me